Hi guys, today I will compare in between Arch Linux and Gentoo, which is better in 2025. Let's dive into it. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Arch Linux is all about minimalism. You start with a blank slate and build only what you need. Its rolling release model keeps you on the cutting edge, and the pacman package manager makes software installs fast and simple. For many it's the ideal blend of control and practicality. Gentoo takes a different path. You compile everything from source, tailoring it to your exact hardware. With the portage system and USE flags, Gentoo gives unmatched flexibility, but it also demands patience and technical know-how. It's not for the faint of heart. In terms of documentation and community, Arch is famous for its Arch Wiki, arguably one of the best resources in the Linux world. Gentoo's support is strong too, but definitely caters to more advanced users. So which is better? For faster setup and modern simplicity, Arch is the choice. For extreme customization and performance tuning, Gentoo is good to go.